Have you ever wondered what the secret is to making people like you, trust you, and follow you? What if I told you that the ability to win friends and influence others is a skill you can learn and master? Dale Carnegie, in his timeless book How to Win Friends and Influence People, reveals 5 life-changing lessons that can transform both your career and your social life. These aren't just strategies, they're keys to unlocking better relationships, happiness, and success. Lesson 5. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone craves recognition. Carnegie teaches us that offering genuine appreciation can make a huge impact. Think about it, when someone notices your hard work or effort, doesn't it make you feel seen? By giving others that same feeling, you build trust and loyalty. In your workplace or friendships, simply saying thank you or I appreciate what you did can change the dynamic of your relationships, making people want to do their best around you. Lesson 4. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. One of the hardest lessons is to refrain from criticizing others. It's easy to point out flaws, but it never leads to anything positive. Instead, Carnegie advises us to approach others with understanding and kindness. If you want to influence someone, focus on what's going right and offer solutions. In the workplace or with friends, this approach turns you into someone people trust and respect. Lesson 3. Remember that a person's name is the sweetest sound to them. People light up when they hear their own name. It's a small, personal touch that shows them they matter. Carnegie emphasizes that using someone's name in conversation isn't just polite, it's powerful. Whether you're in a meeting or talking to a new friend, using their name makes the interaction feel personal and genuine. It leaves a lasting impression and makes people feel valued in your presence. Lesson 2. Smile. It sounds simple, but a genuine smile can change the mood of an entire room. Carnegie reminds us that people are drawn to positivity and warmth. When you smile, you communicate confidence, kindness, and approachability. A smile can be the start of a lasting connection, whether you're in a business meeting or making a new friend. Lesson 1. Become genuinely interested in other people. People don't care about how much you know until they know how much you care. If you want to connect with others, start by showing real interest in their lives. Ask questions, listen, and be curious. When you make others feel important, you naturally become someone they want to be around. This lesson isn't just about making friends, it's about building meaningful relationships that will open doors in your career and personal life. So, how does this change your life? Imagine walking into any room and knowing you have the tools to connect with anyone. Imagine being the person others want to work with, the one people trust. These lessons aren't just for making friends, they're for building a life filled with genuine connections, success, and influence. Ask yourself today, who can I connect with more deeply? Who can I appreciate? How can I be the person who lifts others up? By mastering these lessons, you'll not only win friends, but you'll also win trust, respect, and opportunities. If it helps you, please share, like, and subscribe so we can grow together.